Welcome students. Today we are going to start practice set 12 question number 2 of chapter number 3. Question number 1 we already seen how to find out the HCF by finding prime factor method. Now we are going to see HCF only but by division method. Remember this, we are going to find by division method HCF and you have to reduce also to its simplest form. So these are the questions written. So let's see the first one. By division method you have to solve the HCF. So make like this division as you do in the lower classes. 275, 525. The lowest number you will take it outside and the highest number you take it inside. So 275 will be your divisor, 525 is your dividend. So you have to think of the nearest table as you do in the normal division. 275 ones are 275, 275 twos are will be more, I think so. So 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 1 15, 2 2s are 4, 1 5. It is 550, it is more. So you have to take 275 ones are 275 only. If you reduce, minus it, subtract it, you will get 5 minus 5 0. Here 12, 12 minus 7 5. Here 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. You got it, remainder 250. Now you will take it here. Greater than 250 is 275 only. So you will take it these as now your dividend. So 250 is your divisor now. Again you have to think of the table which of 250 which is nearest to 250 ones are 250, 250 twos are will be more, I think so. Again 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, so 415, 500 it's more, so definitely 250 ones are 250. So 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. You should get 0. If you don't get 0, you have to continue taking these divisors. Now this divisor you will take it as your dividend. So here it will come 250. So 25 stable 250 comes, 25 tens is 250. So here you got the remainder as 0. So the last divisor is your HCF. Remember this. This is your last one. So the last one is your HCF. So HCF is what? 25. Because here your remainder is 0. So this here the division stopped. So this one is your last divisor. So that will be your HCF. So HCF is 25. Now after that you have to reduce to the simplest form also. So this is your question, you have to reduce also it to its simplest form. So write this question, 275 upon 525. This question you divide by your HCF. So 275 divide by 25 to the numerator and denominator is 525 divide by 25. If you divide these two numbers by 25, what you will get? If you divide 275 by 25, 25 ones are 25, 27 minus 25 is 2, take this 5 down, 25 ones are 25, you got it as 11. Now similarly you divide 525 by 25, 25 stable nearest to 52 is 25 twos are 50, 52 minus 50 is 2, take this 5 down, 25 ones are 25, so you got is 21. So 11 upon 21 is your simplest form of division. So HCF is 25 and this is your simplest form. Is it okay children to divide like this way? Similarly you solve the remaining two sums. The second one is 76 by 133. 76 by 133. So make a division form like this. Smallest number you have to take it outside, divisor. This will be your dividend. Now as usual you do normally 76 tables. 76 ones are 76. 76 twos are will be more only. So we'll take it as 76 ones are 76. If you subtract 133 by 76, here 13, here 0, here it will be 12. 13 minus 6 you will get 7. 12 minus 7 you will get it 5. Now here it is 57, more than 57, here it is 76. So this will be your dividend. Now again 57 table you have to check nearest to 76. 57 ones are 57, 57 twos are will be more only. So 57 ones are 57 only. So subtract this 76 minus 57. Here it will be 16, here it will be 6. 16 minus 7 you will get 9 and 6 minus 5 you will get it 1. Now again you have to take, after 19 you will take here this divisor, because greater than 19 will be this divisor. So this you have to take it as your dividend now. 19 table 57 comes, if you know the 19 table, 19 threes are 57. So 57 minus 57 is 0. You got 0, so that this one is your last divisor. So this will be your HCF. So HCF is 19. The last one will be your, if you got remainder 0, then this is your last divisor, so that will be only your HCF. Now you have to reduce it in the lowest form. So write this quotient 76 upon 133. This quotient you have to divide by what? Which number? What you got as HCF. So divide by 19. If you divide 19 by 76 by 19, 19 table 76 comes. 19 4s is 76 and 19 7s is 9 7s are 63. So yeah, 19 7s is 133. So this is your reduced form and HCF is 19. One more sum is there. Let's see that. Third sum is your 275. Sorry. 161 upon 169. This is your last HCF by division method. So make it a form. 69 you have to take it outside, 161 you have to take it inside. Now think it of the table nearest 69's table. 69 ones are 69, 69 twos are, let's see, 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12, 113, 138. Yes, 138 will be subtracted from 161. So 69 twos are 138. So subtract 138 from 161. It is 11. Here it is 5. 11 minus 8 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now here what you will take? Greater than 23 is 69. So here dividend you will take it as 69. 23 is table, 69 comes. 23 3s I think. So 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. So 23 3s is 69. You got the remainder 0. You got a remainder 0. So this will be your HCF. So HCF is 23. Now reduce this quotient to the simplest form. Write this quotient. This quotient you will divide by which number? HCF. So 23 table 161 comes what times? 23 7s are 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. Yes, 23 7s is 161 and 23 3s are we already seen it is 169, 69, 23 3s are. So what is your simplest form? 7 by 3. So children, we have completed our practice set 12. Successfully we have completed 10, 11 and 12. Two more practice set are remaining, LCM, practice set 13 and practice set 14. So till then practice here all the practice set very well. Till then, goodbye.